Sarah, do you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Sarah? Okay, thank you. So, as I said, first I write 8 down. Then I take 3, I must take its sign. So, negative 3 times 2x, we say negative 6x. Negative 3 minus 5, positive 15, equals 4 times x, 4 times 2, which is x. This is what did we say. Now then, as I told you, what the definition of the like terms? You have to put the variable inside and the constant on the other side. Okay? Now here, look at the first of the left side. What are the like terms? Do we have constant, the like terms, or variables? 8 and what? And 50. 8 and 50. Negative 3 times negative 5 is 15.
I know, but after we change negative 3 with 6. Because now we said right now we change negative 3 to 6x. So how did we get to 3?
Multiply negative 3 by 2. It's negative 6x. Negative 3 by negative 5, positive 15. Distribute negative 3. Now then, 8 and 15. They are like 10 because they are constant. What I have to do?
Add them together.
Add them together. 8 plus 15. 23. So I will write here now 23. It's okay? Next, what do we have here? Negative 6x. Write down as it is. Negative 6x. Keep it with its sign. Then next, let's go now to the right side here. What do we have? 4x plus 8. Then next, I have to put, as I told you now, the x terms on side and the constant on the other side. Let's put the x's here and the constant here, or the opposite, as you want. Now, what did you have to do? Here we have 23. What is the sign of 23? Positive. What is the opposite of operation of negative? So I will say negative 23. And that's why. Because I want to move it to the second side. You want to keep the variable on side and the other numbers on the other side. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Now, as I told you before, if you have a balance here and here another balance, if you have a take orange from this side, you have to take orange from the other side. Okay, so here, if I get negative 23 from the right, from the left, I must write negative 23 on the right. Because what is the sign of 23? Positive. What is the opposite of positive? Negative. So I say negative, negative. Then I took the number y in order to cancel this one. I need to move the constant to the other side.
Oh, because they are going to be
Then here what do we have?
negative 6
X. Keep it. No. 4x.
They're the same.
Positive 8 and negative 23.
I multiply them?
No. Positive 8 minus 23. What do you have to do? Keep change flip. First, this is positive, we say. Okay. So here, keep the first one as it is. Change the subtraction to addition. And then what is the opposite of 23? Negative 23.
But teacher, it's already negative here. No, that is minus.
It is minus 8 minus 23. Did you remember now how we subtract the integers?
Yeah.
Then 8 plus negative 23. When we add two numbers. Yes, Maria.
It was different size, it was the subtraction.
Yes.
Here, you wrote negative 23, they're up.
Okay.
Here, this one, how do you mean it's like a minus? Here, if you like, you should keep them the same. Not different.
It's okay. 28 minus 23. Or here, 23 minus 23.
What teacher Lydia said, the opposite of positive 23, it's negative.
Negative. No, it's negative. You say negative 23 here, and you write it here. It's mean 8 plus negative 23, or 8 minus 23. Yes, ma'am.
So it means what?
You just split the 8 as it is.
Yes.
Then you split the 3. You multiply 3 by 5. It's 15. Then you multiply
Negative 3 by negative 5 is 15. Okay.
negative 15, right?
Yes, you must write the signs.
Yeah. Then you multiply here 3 by 2.
Yes.
Then it's 6. Then you
Negative 6. Be careful. Negative 3 times 2.
Yeah. I should put this.
Yes.
Then you multiply 4 by x by we'll add it or
Multiply it. Distribute it. It's out of the parentheses, so you need to distribute it.
okay, so we'll multiply it by 2 and x.
Yes. 4 by x and then 4 by 2. Then it's 4x plus 8. Oh, here I said then I add, combine 8 and 15. I get 23. I need to move 23 to the second side in order to cancel it, in order to put the variables inside and the constant on the other side. Now then, let's come back here now. 8 plus negative 23. So here, what do you have to do first? We change it first. Here we have addition of two different signs. What you have to do? We have to subtract 23 minus 8, 15, and then we take the sign of the negative number, which is negative 15.
Wait.
Deal?
Teacher, you changed it.
Yeah. Okay.
8 plus negative 15.
Okay, then if we have a plus, what you have to do? And we have different sign. What you have to do, Maria?
Okay.
You have to subtract.
Why the answer is 15? It should be 30.
No, you have, say, what did I say in integers? Adding integers. If you have one is positive, one is positive, and one is negative, what you have to do? You have to subtract first. Subtract first. Then you get the sign of the bigger one. 23 minus 8, 50. What is the greatest number, 23 or 8? 23, so you take its sign, you get it. Got it now? So now here, what do I have? I have negative 15. Now look at 4x. Here, I don't want to move x. I want to move 4x. Okay? 4x as 4, as together, as a term 4x. What is the sign of 4 here? Positive. What is the opposite operation of addition? Negative. Negative 4x, negative 4x. As I told, and I told you at the beginning, I have to put the variable on side and the constant on the other side. If you want to put the variables here and the numbers here, doesn't matter.
Yeah, I know, but like, why did you choose negative 6x?
I want to combine the like terms here. So if you have here x and if you have here, and I like if you have balance, here you have 14 orange plus 1 apple, and here you have 16 apples. You need to make them equal. What you have to do, you bring the orange to the apples, will you take the apple and keep it to the other apples?
Okay, teacher.
So you move it 1 apple to the 14 apples in order to make whole orange and here apples. Here is the step. Here it's I wrote it here. Now then I want to order it. Here it's orange with apple, orange with apple. I need now what to rewrite them. I need to keep the orange at the right, in the hand, and the apples on the left hand. So how? I will move the constant number here and the variable hit it back. Okay? Now then, so here we say negative 4. Just 1 minute, please. Yes, I need to move the variable x to this side. How? If you move sx here, you will keep this hand empty and this hand x and constant. No, not like this. Here, if you want to keep -6 to this hand, if you want to take -6x and move it to this side, what do you have here? Nothing. Nothing. You take it. So here you don't have anything. Here you have 10x and 15. And here is nothing. So I need to put the variable on the hand and the constant on the other hand. Let's continue now here. 4x minus 4x. What will happen here? Yeah, will be -6x minus 4x. Here's how it will be here. Look at here. It is -6 minus 4x. How it will be?
They are not the same.
Yes, here,
Keep
-6.
the same 6. Change the expression. Flip 4, which is -4.
Yes. And then how it will be?
Yes, we cannot do first. We cannot
They are like signs. So what can I do?
We are gonna add them.
Add them?
Add them at first and then see what we get. No, they're the same.
So it will be -10x. Bravo. So here it will be -10x.
And where's the 15 go?
Just wait.
Teacher, where did the 15 go?
Wait. I didn't continue this. So here we say -10x and here -15. Now then, what do I need to do next? Yes. Okay.
You can make put 10 under 15.
Yeah.
The opposite of 15.
Now then, what's happened with x? Is it multiplied or divided or added?
No, divide.
Multiplied. Bravo.
Teacher, I think now we're gonna put -15 under -10x.
No, the opposite. Wait, just a minute, please. Just a minute. Where's 32?
Values on place and the customer values in place. Can we just make it from this side to this side and this one?
Yeah, you mean here you want to put the variables here and the constant? Yes. It's okay. As I did here. Oh, it's okay, but here I combine them first, then I move it. Here you move it, then you combine them. Then here, -10x. So then, look at the variable x. What happened with the variable x here? Is it multiplied, added, divided, multiplied? X is multiplied by -10. Now, what is the opposite operation of division? Of multiplication, sorry, division. So I need now here. So I have divided by. Look at x. It's divided, multiplied by which number? -10. So that's why, Maria, I have to divide here by -10 in order to cancel it. And because of the wait, but now, did you remember the properties of the divisibility? I say that when I divide number on the term by here on this side by number, I must divide it on the second one.
Okay. Why did you
I want to solve x. What do I mean by solve x? Find the value of x. How can I find the value of x? I get it alone. But x here is multiplied by negative 10. I want x alone. What can I do? No, see, I want to get x alone. It's okay. What's okay?
See here, you put the x with 4.
Okay.
And it's the same.
Because here I want to move for x as a whole here, as a term here. But I don't want to take x alone. Here I took 4x as it is. Here I want to solve x only. Okay, I want to get x alone. So what can I do here? X is multiplied by negative 10. What is the opposite operation of multiplication? Division. It's multiplied by negative 10. What is the opposite? Oh, okay. طيب that's okay. I will come. Okay, then now here. X is multiplied by what? What's happening? Why is it laughing? X multiplied by negative 10. I need to take x alone. Okay, so divide by negative 10. Hey, wallah, it's so easy. بس انه open your mind. Then ايش فعلتوا؟ What? Then next. It's on. Now next. It's divided by negative 10. I divide the both sides by what? Negative 10. What's okay, Lahla? Next. Negative 10 cancel negative 10. So here what do we have? X. Then negative over negative, positive. 15 over 10. We can do it by two ways. We can say it's 1.5 as a decimal, or we can simplify it. How will you simplify it? 15 over 10. How will you simplify it? Divide by what? What is the common number here? 5. It's divided by both of them. 15 over 5. Or 10 over 5. 2. Who said 5? 5. Okay. So what's the value of x now? 3 over 2. I did all of this to find the value of x. Next, inshallah, in grade 8, yes. You have two equations, you have to deal with them. Yes, but you have two equations, you have to deal with them in order to find x and y. Yes. Right, come on. What's the problem? Positive 1.5. Positive 1.5.
Like, why did you make it fraction?
My divide. No, there's not divide, there's addition. Different.
So that's the value of x.
Yeah?
That's the value.
That's the value of x, yes.
Okay, why don't we do it?
Simplify 15 over 10. Yes. Yes, okay. Yalla, now, as we have only 15 minutes. I cannot start a new lesson. See, I will give you now one question. I want to see how did you solve it. Yalla. What?
But I forgot only one part.
Right, here. Distribute negative 3 on the parentheses and 4 on the parentheses.
Multiply this one with this one.
Aywa? Yes.
Then 2 by 3 by 2 is 7. 3 by 5. Okay, 7.
Yeah. Yeah, I will give you. Then next, you have to combine them. Grade 6? 7. What happened with you? Yeah, but they want to write. Yes.
I understand this one, but this one.
You combine them. You have to move the number to the side and to the variable to the other side. Here you have to combine the like terms together.
Yeah, then what did you make?
I move the number to this side to get this in. I get the variable to the other side.
Now we put the x, then we did this one, the same part, only this part. Then what did we make it all?
Miss, I didn't understand.
Now,
Yeah, yeah, but I want them to continue writing.
now we put this one.
Oh, yeah, yeah. And on the quiz, you have five questions, 1 over 30 minutes. Oh, inshallah, it will not be hard as the work. Which one? Oh, yeah, yeah. I will come back to one. But let's finish. Yes.
عندنا أسئلة. إحنا ما فهمنا خلاص. Now we put this one. We will keep it the same. Then the 3 we will just subtract for them. Now 3 multiplied 2 is 6. 3 multiplied this one here. Then 4 we'll put it. Then I don't know what did you make here. Then
4 by 2, 8. Yeah, miss, I want to give them a question.
Then
Yeah.
we put the 8. Then what did you make here?
Combine 8 plus 15, 23. Okay, then I want to move 23 to this side.
First time you kept this one the same, then you make
Yes, add them. Yes, here keep them the same. Then move 23 to this other side. Then you have negative 6x and this. Take 4x here. Yeah, that's it. Fine, it's okay. Now here, eh? Grade 7. What happened today? Hello, did you solve 15? No? Did you solve 15? طيب, solve number 15. يلا. Okay, ولا برجع لك ثواني. Yes. Combine them first. Then move it to the other side. Combine them together. Combine them here. Then combine them here. Then move it to the other side.
No, my question is, we have it maybe here, okay, and then we have it.
And like this. X plus 2x equals 3x plus 4. Like this?
No, like when you move it, like when we add it, maybe it will give us
3x.
42. We will,
What 42?
no, maybe here it will give us 42, we will give us 15.
It's like this.
We add 42 on this side or 15 on this side. Which one is it?
I didn't understand. Give me a question. Okay? So yeah, I don't know. I want to see how did you solve it.
Okay, I'll give an example.
Number 15. Okay, you will distribute it.
Yeah. And this
Here.
one. And this one.
Yeah, girls, I want your answer on a paper. Okay? Yeah. Yes, girls. Be quiet. You do like you are on a quiz. Okay? You have 10 minutes left. You have to think how do you solve it. I want to see how you are. It's not hard. Wallah, but think about it. Yeah.
Now, is this one? Oh, sorry.
Yes, sir.
This one negative 7 or
Minus 7. Minus 7.
Negative 2 multiply positive 2.
Yes.
Okay.
Bravo. Yes, continue. Yalla, girls. Stop talking. Here, it's before 2, it's negative. It's between 2 terms, so it's minus. And here we have 7 and we have after 7, so it's minus. But it's before negative 2, it will be negative. Stop, see, girls, stop. I want you to solve number 13. Let's see. Okay, stop, see, I want, okay. If you can, you choose 13 or 15, as you want. Yeah. But tell me 13 or 15 and write the question. As you want. Okay, Mama. Okay. What did you want? Okay. This one? Yes. 7, it's minus. What's حورية هي؟ حورية. لا مش حورية. شوفها. لا لحظة شوفها. حبيبة أيوة أنت حبيبة. It's okay. Because I checked the workbox I want to see who's حبيبة.
أنا راح أحل رقم 13.
طيب 13 اسمها.
إلا إني أنزل الفوركس. أنت ما أدري صح ولا غلط.
Don't talk. You are in a quiz. Where يا ماما? Make up with us, please. يلا.
Here. What do we add? What's it called again?
You don't five.
Why?
Hey, wait, stop. You only multiply five.
And
Continue.
here also
Negative 2 times x negative 2x negative 2 plus 9 negative 4. يلا continue. Noura, you are in a quiz. I don't know. Just I give you a hint, then you have to continue. I want to see how do you think, okay? What's you? Are you? عبثك. Okay. 5 into 10. طيب.
2 and 3. Then I find answer. Then the same thing with 2. It's for.
طيب. What? No.
Teacher, your sound is gone.
Now can you hear me?
Yes, teacher, now we can hear you.
Now choose number 13 or 15, solve it and send me the answer on Telegram.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Teacher, I didn't get what to do after this.
Continue. Here isn't correct. Here, remove 5.
After we started.
Now put أيوة برافو. هلا get x here and the constant. يعني try to arrange them. Put the constant side and the 5 on the other. Where يا ماما? Try solve number 13. Why? يا مس طب هلا when I solved number 16. Did you understand? طيب. إيه؟ يعني I need to change the numbers.
No.
طيب how do you solve it? Yes.
حليت الأسئلة بس.
طيب continue.
بس ما أعرف I forget the steps because I didn't.
طب it's okay, huh? See? I will go here. Okay, to keep the steps, may it help you?
This made us forget more.
Grade 7. No, I want this one, the solved one, in order to help you. Sammy, where's Sammy? Sammy. From where you get this for? You bring it here. Okay, that's okay. For. Yes, inshallah. It's correct. I combine 8 and 15. Yeah. This is just to help you. Yes. Yalla, give me the paper.
I saw this one.
Just a minute, please. 3/3. You say it.
Or should I just make the bigger number?
Okay, just a minute. X1, X minus.
Oh, yeah, then divide by 3.
بس هي just a minute. Grade 7. لا إله إلا الله. جوري شو يا جوري؟ English 2019.
Teacher, your sound is gone again. Teacher.